Now I'm going to talk to you about option 2. A really good idea in a bedroom is to create a separate seating area where you can visualize, where buyers can visualize walking in, sitting on a chair and reading a book. That's just an additional space, usable space in your bedroom. Now for this, I have a little side table. As well as a nice seating chair. And you can always put a nice neutral cushion, decorative cushion on it, something that works with your walls, and then little accessories like a plant for a pop of color, a reading book, and then, just for the fun of it, a nice little vase. Now that's all you really need to showcase a seating space. And buyers would just want to sit down, read their book, and buy your home. Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press the thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time for more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye.